Hello children, welcome in online studies. So this is our environmental studies textbook. Already we have explained lesson number 1. So today we are going to write the new words of it. In the previous video you must have understood all the concepts of EVS. Okay, so lesson number 1, that is our environment. This is a notebook. You should keep 200 pages notebook for EVS subject. While opening the notebook, at first your name should be there, standard and division. Division, if you know, you can write, otherwise write subject name. Not only that, but we are going to make the index also. Index should be filled after every lesson. Here we will write the lesson's name. Date column is there. See, serial number, page number, this much only. If you want to write the page number, you have to write the numbers on the pages. So we will write today's date here, 27/6 only you write, because if you write 27/6/2020, that will be a lengthy date and it will not come into that given column. So write only date and month. 6th is the month. Serial number, write over here 1, because we are writing about the lesson number 1. And what is the lesson number 1? That we will write here. Lesson number 1 is our OUR, our ENVIRONMENT. Environment. Now you will see that we are going to write the index also with the pencil. If we see on which page it will come. So already I have write over here the date and the page number. If you want to write it, so write over there page number 1. So we will write here also page number 1, because we are going to write it on page number 1. Okay. So in 3rd standard, in the beginning we will write lesson name. Write over here lesson number 1 dot our OUR ENVIRONMENT, our environment. If you cannot write in a line, then before writing you can draw the line like this and then write the lesson name. Okay, so we have written over here lesson name. After that we are going to write new words. I know in 3rd standard, I know in 2nd standard, till 2nd standard you have learned how to write in 4 lines. But then also in 3rd standard also we are going to write in 4 lines notebook. So 4 lines notebook. So what we have to do, At first, put the topic over there. Make a star. If you know the star, you can make the star. Write over there new words. So, which new words we are going to write over here? New words from the lesson. N-E-W, new. W-O-R-D-S, words. Before writing anything, we will just divide the page. So, we can divide the page in two ways. We can take the page like this, fold it till the margin page, and we can make the two same parts of the page. Just lightly keep the line like this, put your finger like this, and you can see the same two parts. Otherwise, you can also draw the lines with the help of the pencil. I will show you in the first lesson only, and in the next lessons you are going to follow all the directions given over here, how to write. And before writing, I want everyone's notebook very clean, neat and proper, because whenever I will check your notebook, I want neatness and correctness into it. So, the first word we will write from the textbook. Already I have marked some of the words for you. If you have the textbook, you can also mark into it. Otherwise, just write with me. The first word we are writing. So, write over there 1. 1 number word we are writing, that is material. So, first letter capital, M capital, in 3 lines, in first 3 lines. Then small letters we are writing into the 2 lines. M A T E R I A L S, materials. I know that you have also taken notebook with you, and with me you will write accordingly. Whatever I am writing, you also write like that in your notebook. Okay, so first word is materials. Second word, write 2 number. Second word is stone. Only first letter we will write as a capital, because in textbook it is given in small letters. So we will write small now. Small S T O N E, stone. S T O N E, stone. Third word is rocks. R O C K, rock. R O C K, rock. 4 number word, that is S O I L, soil. S O I L, soil. Number 5, write with me. R I V E R, R I V E R, river. 6th number, S T R E A M, Stream. 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 So I hope you understand. I hope you know that which letter we should write in 4 lines, 3 lines, and which letter we are writing in 2 lines. All the small letters we are writing in 2 lines, and some letters, though they are small, we are writing in up 3 lines, above 3 lines. Okay. So next word, 7 number. L in 3 lines. A, K, E. Lake. 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 Number 8. AIR. 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 Number 9. HILL. 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 Number 10 word is, 10 number word is MOUNTAIN. 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 Now we are writing at the another side. After 10, which number comes? Yes, right. That is 11. 11 dot. Otherwise, you can again draw a small line just to write the numbers. After the mountain, next word is FIELD. Filled. FIELD. Filled. 12 number word. HOUSE. 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 Number 13. ROAD. 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 Number 14, that is BARREN. Barren. LAND. Land. BARREN. Barren. LAND. Land. Barren land. Next word, number 15 is TREE. 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 BUSH. 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 Number 17 is CLIMBER. 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 Next word is number 18. REMAIN. 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 I hope you are writing without mistake, very neatly and clearly. Number 19 is CHANGES. 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 G-E-S, changes. Number 20 is L-I-V-I-N-G, living. T-H-I-N-G-S, L-I-V-I-N-G, living. T-H-I-N-G-S, things, living things. So on another page again, we will draw the margin like this, because we are going to write the 25 to 26 words only, because it is the first lesson. Next we will write more words, and we are not only writing this word, we are going to learn these words also. So after 20 number, which number comes? 21. Again we will mention here date. Date is 27/6, page number 2. So 21 word is non-living things. N-O-N, non. L-I-V-I-N-G, non-living. T-H-I-N-G-S, things. N-O-N, non. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. T-H-I-N-G-S, non-living things. Number 22, that is seedling. S-E-E-D-L-I-N-G-S, seedlings. S-E-E-D-L-I-N-G-S, seedlings. Number 23 is W-O-O-D, wood. W-O-O-D, wood. Number 24 we will write at the another side, because already we have drawn the margin over here, and we will write that words at another side. Number 24. 24 number is compare. C-O-M-P-A-R-E, compare. C-O-M-P-A-R-E, compare. Next word 25, that is difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, difference. D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-C-E, difference. Next word, that is number 26. Word is R-E-L-A-T-I-O-N-S-H-I-P, relationship. R-E-L-A-T-I-O-N-S-H-I-P, relationship. So we have write 26 words in the first lesson. we are not only writing the words, but we are going to learn that words also. After writing all these words, I want everyone's handwriting neat, clean. Don't make any mistake. Write with the dark pencil. Write in neat handwriting without making mistake and learn that words daily. Today, if you are seeing this writing today itself, learn all that words and give your learning to your parents. For today, these are sufficient. We will write in the next lecture question answers. So be ready for that and hope you are learning all these words today itself. So write very properly, neatly. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, bye.